Anderson, Kuti Kamau, Anderson, Niall Anderson, Kadisha Smith, Ayush Jain, Tashe Bowes, Justin Allen, Jamar Grant, Lennox Rowe II, Antoine Campbell, and Lenova Clark. Heavy category, PM says. Very competitive. And that's why we have 1, 2, 3, 4 winners in this category. 4. Beginning with Kuti Kamau. And he is not here this evening, but his mother, Kamau, Mahoki, and that's Mahoki, right? I hope I'm getting it right. She's going to be collecting on his behalf. They're supposed to be coming up on stage, right? Mommy?
Mommy's here.
Mommy's coming? As Mommy comes, I'll give you some info. At the age of 12, Kuti became the youngest Jamaican to pass 6 CSEC subjects. In total, he has passed 17 subjects while at Jamaica College. In 2012, he was awarded the Portmore Municipal Council's Heroes Day Award. He then moved to Claflin University in 2014, where he maintained a straight A profile and graduated as the valedictorian with a degree in biotechnology. During that time, he earned the Academic Semester Award for Excellence, the Alice Cowson Tisdale Honor Scholarship, and Most Outstanding Student in Leadership 2021 to 22. The NSF Excellence in Research Award grant in 2023. Kuti is currently completing a PhD at Pennsylvania State University. Don't want me. That's your work, Mom. Congratulations. Our next awardee.